Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I mowed 2 days ago. What the heck? I'm gonna need the catcher. Let's see how this works. The homemade striper and this janky basket. Alright, so I was going to do a video on liquid aeration and micronutrients that I'm going to put in the backyard because the backyard has zero love to it. But, so this is embarrassing. I made a homemade striper. And I didn't finish it. I just had the 4-inch PVC like that. And I didn't have a bar system that connects it to the mower. So I was using coiled up copper to hold it into place, and that wasn't working out too well. And I drove by my neighbor's house and his stripes were freaking awesome, and that really made me mad, so I had to fix this. And let's lay down some stripes today. It's a pretty easy system. It's the standard do-it-yourself PVC 4-inch pipe stuffed with rocks and sand with an end cap with 2 screws sticking out, and then a system with bars. Nothing fancy. Pretty much any video you've already seen on this is the same thing that I have right here. So we tighten these up. Let's do a little bit of striping action. Single, double, how about that? Alright, so we have single, double, single, double, single. So we do single, double, go down single one time, come back, do a loop to the single, do your second pass to the double, then start your next single. So you'll have a ton of passes, but you'll have a cleaner cut overall, and looks pretty sharp. If you're doing the manual reel mowing like I am, and I don't have a gas powered one, you can definitely lay down some good stripes. You just have to put a little more weight on it, get a roller that you make by yourself. You can find a bunch of videos. Shout out to Striper Man for the inspiration. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like if you did, and stick around with me, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.